I am in 1271 East 169th Street in the Collinwood neighborhood. It's a two-family. This is a 3-bedroom house. Each unit's 3 bedrooms, which is great, pretty amazing. Got some built-ins. Got the fireplace in the living room. Bedrooms aren't huge. This is a decent-sized bedroom. It's got a huge closet. This is one of the smaller bedrooms, but again, it's got a closet. Hallway. The bath has been totally redone. And we got the back bedroom. Closet. And it's a decent kitchen. It's got quite a bit of counter space, both sides. Room for a stove, and there's room for a fridge.